I am not starting a vlog, I'm continuing a vlog. When I'm done working, then I'm gonna give you guys a dollar. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Summer Maphumulo. I'm so excited to be back on your screens. Where is all your twang? Yo, makeup. See what makeup does. So I want to thank you guys so much for your love and your support. If this is your first time here, do the right thing, like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. So I just finished filming a get ready with me. I look, damn Gina, I look I just finished filming a get ready with me, a chit chat. I'm pretty sure by the time this vlog comes out, it would have been out ages ago. But yeah, so I'm about to make something to eat right now. I don't even know what I want to eat right now, but definitely I am having some lunch. Because I'm working, I really don't want to be distracted by food. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have a pear and I'm gonna continue drinking my wine, and then when I'm done working, then I'll eat properly because I won't mess up my makeup. You guys, welcome to my weekly vlog. Don't mind me here, but I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm going for an eye test, and then we're gonna be running a couple of errands. So let's go. No, I'm gonna give you guys a dollar. No, we think that. Oh, okay. I just finished filming a Zara perfume review. I'm excited because it took such a long time for me to finish that video. A lot of problems occurred while I was preparing for the video, so I had to film the video 3 times, and the third time I was like, whatever happens, this video must go on. So yeah, I just finished right now, and so yeah, I am not starting a vlog, I'm continuing a vlog. And for the past 7 days, I've been having 1 meal a day. Having 1 meal a day, working out. I worked out about 4 times this week, and the starting week tomorrow, I'm hoping that I'm gonna work out 6 times and continue having 1 meal a day till my Shein order, is it Shein or Sheen or whatever it is, came in a week early, and I ordered a lot of smaller sizes because I was like, this is the only way I'm gonna actually lose the weight, is if I spend all this money on these clothes that cannot fit me, but the only way they can fit me is if I actually lose the weight. So that's what I've been doing. But I'm gonna wait for 7 more days before I do a Shein haul, so I'm super excited about that. So you guys, hold on, why does it look okay? So the curtain is like that, but yeah, but I just wanted to come here and show you guys my makeup, child. Want to show you my makeup. It looks so good. It looks so good. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. it if only you could see me in person. Oh my goodness, if only you guys could see me in person, I promise you. Like if you could see me in person, you would know that there's videos of me that you let me keep quiet anyways. Bye. Huh? Hello? Huh?
Good.
So sarang phakathi indawo. Funa siqalele emuva.
No, mina ngibuka ivideo le.
Okay.
We're adding snacks.
Of course, I want to eat. Ayoko umuntu osizayo.
Ubhuti lo ubuye think uyongena somewhere. Oh no. Okay, I'm buying Prince or Princess.
Huh?
Combo. Which one are you getting? What's this kids weekend about? Do they come on a Friday?
Yeah. Picture mo nga yan ko.
Oh, sorry.
Doon mo nga like cinema ba ni? Okay. Alright, so let's go. Okay, sorry. Oh, it's so dark. Hey, my love. Hello. Ah! Still love it. Pero kanya so Hello, Siri.
Can't be right.
Eh? Nani? Me paga ese lugar? So guys, I want to give you an update. I went for house viewing, an apartment viewing. I think I told you a couple of days ago, and so it looks the same as the pictures, right? But my issue was that it was too small and I couldn't take a video because the people that stay there had not moved out, so they're still there. And so it would have just been weird that I was there like filming and taking videos of people's bedrooms and all those things. So I ended up not doing that. And so I'm gonna continue looking for new I'm gonna continue looking for apartments, right? And when I have like a full video, maybe like a 10-12 minutes video, I'm gonna do a separate video about that. I've got no confidence. So this is love. Literally looks like a human being. Not that bad actually.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive, miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With your head in this place on nothing. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With your head in this place on nothing. Take you there, take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, said our time for making up time. The time you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We have this place on take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We have this place on take you there, take you there.
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Shot trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna. Bouncing nothing, I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water. Got CEOs out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm till a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill this whole family if you run off with the package. I just
his eyes out. Ain't no telling what he saw. Fuck around, watch out on